Hello, Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. Today we have this harness here. It was rewired and rewrapped, and let's just take a look at it real quick. Short video. Now this harness came from the 1994 or 1995 E420. This is the part number here, 124-540-3130. Now the original sheeting mostly was reused, so it looks as factory as possible, and to ease the installation, obviously, because if it's all wires all over the place, then it's like kind of difficult to know where they go and whatnot. Although this is a short harness, it's not really long, some chances of making a mistake are minimal. Okay, so the main connector, obviously, you got pin number 1. This is the starter Bendix wire, so it's obviously a thicker gauge, so it's a little longer, but it's movable and pliable, so it can be positioned the way it needs to be positioned. This is the starter main power terminal here, and the thick wire here that goes from here to here and to here, they don't go bad, although it's been rewrapped just for good measure. Might as well, right? So this is the main terminal to the battery terminal that again connects to the starter and connects to the alternator. This is the alternator wire. Then we have 3 little ones here. Now pin number 2 over here, that would be green, okay, and that goes to the oil pressure sensor, single pin. And that's the some cars have 2 pins, some cars have 1 pin. So this is the newer style. This is a single pin oil pressure sensor. Pressure, not the level. Now, based on the diagrams here, the pin number 3, which is this one right here, that's pin number 3, that is going to be black. And the black is this. This is oil level, oil pan, oil level sensor. All right, they're all close with each. They're close by one another. I mean, real close. But the wires are slightly longer. And then we got this blue one. Yeah, this one is black, by the way, just so you can distinguish the colors. And this one is blue. That is for the alternator, because you got the main alternator power connection here, and then you got a small one to the alternator secondary small connector here, and that's of course going to be left for number 4 right here. And like I said, some cars have 2 the oil pressure sensor with 2 pins. That would be then 5th one would have been used, but this particular model only has a single pin oil pressure switch, oil pressure sensor. And that's that. Okay, so these are the attachment points to secure the harness to the vehicle, so it's not flopping around. Cleaned up a little bit here and there, and everything wrapped up double. One of them was wrapped up triple, but just because for good measure. Cloth tape, of course, so it's resistant to heat. This is like a fireproof jackets, that's why these were saved. Right, and this is the white with orange stripe. That's just the cable for the starter Bendix connection. Whatever that color, doesn't matter really. There's only one thick line in the whole harness like that, this gauge. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much all. And basically this thing is good to go. Alright, Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.